In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use chat in a Webex meeting. Whether you're new to Webex or just need a refresher, I'll walk you through each step clearly and thoroughly so that you can feel confident using this feature in your next meeting. Let's get started. First and foremost, you'll need to join your Webex meeting. You can do this by either navigating to the official Webex website or, if you have it, using the Webex desktop application. Once you're on the web page or in the app, look for your scheduled meeting and click to join. Make sure that your connection is stable to avoid any disruptions during the meeting. It's always a good idea to join a few minutes early to check your audio and video settings. Once you're in the meeting, you'll want to open the chat panel. For this, direct your attention to the meeting controls, which are typically at the bottom of your screen. Here, you'll find the chat button. Go ahead and click that. Doing so will open the chat panel, which is usually positioned on the right side of your meeting window. This panel is where all your messaging happens during the Webex meeting. Now let's talk about choosing who receives your message, because that's an important part of using the chat effectively. At the top of the chat panel, there's typically a recipient drop-down menu. This provides you with some options on who can receive your message. You might see options like everyone if you want to send a message that all participants can view. This is great for asking general questions or sharing information that everyone should know. If you only want the host to see your message, select Host to send a private message just to them. Sometimes you may have the option to select a specific participant, which is useful for sending a private message to one particular person in the meeting. Remember, the exact options you have can vary depending on how the host has set up the meeting and the version of Webex you are using, so don't worry if it's slightly different. Now, with your recipient selected, it's time to type your message. Click into the text box in the chat panel and start typing. Whether you're contributing to a group discussion or sending a quick note privately, keep your message concise and relevant to maintain the meeting's flow. Once you're satisfied with your message, hit Enter or Send, and your message will be delivered to the recipient or recipients you've selected. And that's it. Using the chat feature in Webex is a straightforward yet powerful way to communicate effectively during your meetings. Whether you're discussing agenda points, asking questions, or just sending a quick hello, using the chat feature ensures that your communication is seamless. I hope you found this guide helpful and feel ready to use the Webex chat in your future meetings. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next tutorial.